In a crumbling apartment on the outskirts of the city, 17-year-old Marcus counts loose change for bus fare. The holes in his shoes have been patched 3 times already, and his part-time job at the convenience store barely covers rent for him and his sick mother. One rainy evening, while taking a shortcut through a construction site, Marcus notices something glinting in the mud. Most people would have walked past, but desperation makes you look twice at everything. He digs through the wet earth with his bare hands, pulling out what appears to be a large, rough stone with a crystalline surface.
As you can see, it's a crazy creation. I found an AI that is a game changer. It supports ChatGPT, 11 Labs, and Minimax, which are among the best in the AI industry. Mixing all of these, you can create a money printing channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use these amazing AI, starting with Focal AI. Here's what the page looks like. First, we have a clean space to put our idea or script. We can start from a blank idea or use a ready script. For this video, we will use an idea to start from scratch. I gave it a story about a broke boy who found a diamond and became rich. Here we can see the duration of the videos, ranging from 3 seconds to 10 minutes, all for free. We can choose narration or dialogue. Let's choose narration. To the right, we have the languages available, and there are many. Let's go with English. Now, let's move on. As you can see, it's generating the script. Don't worry, as I mentioned before, it supports ChatGPT. After the script is done, it gives us the choice to add ideas. For example, look here. More about Marcus's mom or showing the struggle. If you choose to show the struggle, it adds some hard situations to his life, which is great for storytelling. Now we're ready to pass to the next part. We have the main production page. At the first section, we have various styles to choose from, including cinematic, anime style, comic book, black and white, and 1980s cartoon style. For this video, we will choose comic book style. Then, scroll down a little bit. Here we have the ratio and size of the video, long video format, and short videos. To the right, we have captions. If you like, you can add those or skip them. Now let's regenerate the images using the comic book style. It may take some time, but trust me, it's worth it. Again, if you scroll down, you will find voiceover options. Here you can choose different voices. I will stick with the one Focal chose. Scrolling down once more, there are advanced settings. Here you can add a new chapter. If not, let's pass that and hit Create Project. Now we jump to the editing place. We have 2 scenes because the script is short. The scenes are based on the script. The first thing you need to do is type Ctrl+K, which means generate images for every scene. After a few seconds, your images will be ready. If you like them, you can hit accept, and if not, hit reject. If you have new instructions, you can write them there. So, let's accept these. Now, as you can see, the images are great, but there's a small issue. The image is longer than the voiceover, or vice versa. We can adjust it by pulling the scene or the voiceover. Let's do that for all of them. If we have an image that doesn't match the voiceover, click on the image, change the prompt, and hit generate. Then drag it above the image. Now let's animate the images. To do that, click on the image and hit animate. After a brief wait, the image is converted to video. Now let's do this for all of them. Let me introduce you to the left side of the page. First, we have all media. New scene, new speech, new sound, and new video. A new scene means generating new images. New speech generates a new speech for the script. New video creates motion images, and new sound is for sound effects. Let's try this by writing rain and then selecting the duration for 1 second or more. Now let's stick to automatic and hit generate. After a few seconds, it will be ready. Let's drag it and try it. Click on it to adjust the volume. If we go down, we have an edit button where we can adjust volumes and scripts. Again, if we scroll down, we have styles to choose from, which I already explained earlier. Moving on, we have voices, which I also covered before. Scrolling down again, we have characters. Here we can create new characters and add them to the script. We also have chapters, where we can add new chapters. In the settings, we can adjust the ratio and size of videos, choose how many images you need to generate, and select models for generating images and videos, like Minimax or Luma AI. You can also choose captions as explained earlier. Now hit export and we're done.